Hi friends, so welcome back everyone to another episode on Bank Nifty expiry trading. So friends, today I should say was a very difficult day for me. Initially, I did not get into my positions quickly because if at all you have seen this week, it was very volatile. So I just patiently waited initially for 1 hour to just see how the market is going to react, how the market is settling down, and then slowly started adding my positions. And then after that there was a time when market was moving sideways, and then a breakout was expected, and then sudden spikes were there. So I'll explain to you all what I did today, the adjustments I did today, how I did my directional view as to for today, how I analyzed the open interest. All those things are available in this video. Don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe in case if you're not subscribed to this channel. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's go into the video. So if at all you ask me, was it a good opening? You can see it was a continuous 3 red candles and also continuous spikes. The tails which are coming here, these are not good, because even if you keep stop losses, the stop losses will hit and again the market will reverse. It's not good for intraday traders. So this was a situation early morning, right? So that's why I stayed away from entering into the positions, because it was not a good thing to enter. It was like a suicidal thing in case if you're entering. This is the spikes which I was talking about. You can see the big spikes. This is happening from almost 2-3 days, if at all you observe. Okay, in case if you look into the VIX also, you can see that it is increasing. So again, I just thought let the VIX cool down. So once the VIX cools down, then I can start entering into the positions slowly. This was the overall plan. Okay, now then looking into the premium at ATMs, it's decent enough. We have above 150 premium, so it's good enough to make good profits. And then looking into the open interest, there is good amount, a big pillar at 42,200. Yeah, this one, 42,200. There's a big pillar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark a resistance level at 42,200, and you can already see the price. The Bank Nifty has already tried to hover around this area. It has got rejected from this area. You can see it has come down and is not allowed to go again above this level. So it is going to act as a very good resistance, right? So the level is perfectly it's very good for us. And then on the lower level, 42,000 being a good psychological figure will act as a very good support. So this is going to be the range for the day. On the upper side we have 42,200, on the lower side we have 42,000. And in case if Bank Nifty moves away from this, accordingly we can do our analysis. As of now, this is going to be my range, and I'll also try to minimize it. I'll try to narrow it down going forward. Fine. So I'm just waiting for VIX to cool down and also price to settle down, and then accordingly I'll take my positions, and I'll keep you posted as well. So that was the overall plan. Okay, so looking into the yesterday's price action, friends, I must tell you it is horrible trading from past 2 days. The kind of zigzag movement happening, it's very difficult for directional traders. That is why today also I tried to play very safe game, right? So as of now, time close to 9:20, and then I'm not entering into any positions. Yeah. So look into this, friends. Time is close to 9:45, 9:50, and you can see once again a zigzag movement for today. This is what is happening. This is what was expected. This kind of swings happening. So your stop losses will be hit in both sides in case if you're playing straddle. So I have not taken any positions till now. As of now, I'm just patiently waiting, just thinking whether the VIX comes down considerably, at least tries to cool off, and then I can enter into my positions. At least a sideways market if I get, I can enter my positions. That was the overall plan. But being a Thursday, we can't sit idly as well. Okay. So the range what I'm doing is, as of now I am moving it to the high and the low. You can see the high and the low which is formed for today. So these are the levels which are going to act as good resistance and support. So I'm just moving it to the resistance and support formed by today's swing. Yeah, it is big enough, but along the way we can do the adjustments. Yeah. So time is close to 10:10, friends, and I started entering my positions, looking into this particular sideways movement. You can see here. So Bank Nifty started to consolidate in this level. So then I started adding my position, and during this particular downfall over here, you can see this particular downfall. I added a put position as well. I tried to buy put positions, but it got backfired in this two candles over here. So that's what I was saying. It was not so easy trading today. The continuous spikes which are happening was spoiling my show. So let me just show you my positions. So this is how my positions are. The put which I took misfired, got stop loss, and then I've taken a straddle as well at 42,100 put. Yeah. So 42,300 after hitting stop loss. Now you can see Bank Nifty is going down. So we were unlucky. It was in case if the spike was not there, we would have made good profit. Right. Now coming back to the range, you can see that already the price is at the lower bottom. So I'm just moving my range. I'm coming back to 42,000, which I had initially marked my range, and also on the upper level I'm keeping the super trend. So in case if Bank Nifty is trying to go above the super trend, I will do the adjustments for a bullish view, and if it goes below 42,000, we'll go for a bearish view. This is the game plan set for the day as of now at this particular moment, right? Yeah. So let's see how it goes about. So we must be in real lucky to get good profits today, because the kind of sudden volatile, sudden big moves, and also you can see one more big candle being formed. It was very difficult, very challenging, right? Okay, now time close to 10:20, and you can see the breakout has happened finally. So from 42,100 I had shifted my straddle to 42,000, and also I took a put position. I bought a put position when I got this breakout. You can see such a big candle, good breakout happening, and then I took my positions in the buy side as well. Small quantity, I'm not trading big quantity in the buy side. I'm just investing 10% of my capital only. So you can see 42,200 put I have bought. It is an ITM put, small quantity, and then 42,000 call I am selling. And as of now the loss is around 23,000. Reason because the sudden spike which has happened, sudden crash which has happened, the big candles which has formed, right? So let's see if Bank Nifty continues to go down from here. It should be a super duper profit for us. You can almost say it's like a synthetic future which I'm having as of now, and market will always give you surprises. Yeah, so we need to wait patiently. So again, the point of reversal, I have moved it to super trend. Let me just move this line. So in case if Bank Nifty reverses back and crosses the super trend, then I will adjust my positions. But as of now, you can see it is just going down, and both my legs are in super duper profit. So call as well as put, both are in profits. You can see the put position which we bought also is in big profits, and the call as well is in good profits, and it should be a good day for us in case if it continues, right? So time close to 10:30, and as of now you can see Bank Nifty is once again trying to consolidate. It's trying to move sideways, right? And it has started to reverse and start to move sideways. So I started adding little by little more straddles again. So this time I've added 41,900 call and put the ATM straddle. It's because it is no longer going down. It is staying in a range. Okay, so you can see this is the range which I was talking about. Bank Nifty is just moving in a range, and you can see this is the lower level at which it has bounced back, and also on the upper level you can see the super trend level. It is just trying to maintain the levels. So my duty is now going to be a neutral view. So I started adding neutral positions because it's moving in a side range, and if Bank Nifty is continuing the side range, we'll be making big profits. But this occasional spikes is really spoiling. It was really spoiling, but good that I had a put position, buy put position. So that was giving me decent profit. Yeah, this is the put position which I bought a small quantity, which was trying to give me a good profit. Profit as of now is close to 30,000, right? Now friends, time is close to 11:25, and you can see that Bank Nifty is continuing to move sideways. So again I started adding more and more position, because we have to make good profits in this particular sideways movement. So that is what I was trying to do, just add on positions. So you can see I have kept on adding positions as of now, sideways movement. So with the remaining capital again I'm going to add more positions. This was the overall plan. Okay, so again time is close to 11:40 now, and still you can see that Bank Nifty is just moving in a range, and our profits are also increasing. So I added more positions, and we are at a decent profit of around 30,000. From a loss of minus 20,000, we have come to a profit of 30,000, and I'm just added more straddles, right? Now time is close to 12:20 and you can see Bank Nifty is just moving sideways. So this is a dream kind of movement for all the non-directional traders, and as of now I am trading non-directional as well. Majority of my positions are non-directional, and as you would have guessed, I am in good profit as well. So you can see we already crossed 50,000 profit. So I'm just trying to maintain the neutral view. Yeah. So friends, now you can see time is close to 12:40 and then you can see that still Bank Nifty is moving sideways. So from almost 10:30 now almost till 12:30, 2 hours, Bank Nifty is moving sideways. That means it's a very clear indication that a breakout can happen in any range, anyway. So it can come on the lower side as well or it can come on the upper side as well. We can't guess it. So we need to be prepared for that. So accordingly, I also did my adjustments. I was prepared. I mentally prepared a figure. After that, I'm not going to risk today. All this I had decided mentally, but market had something else to say me. I'll just show you. I'll just explain to you and show you what that happened. Right. So you can see as of now profits are increasing because Bank Nifty is just moving sideways, and you can see my entire positions are only in straddle, and then my profits were again continuously increasing. I went close to 1 lakh profit almost. So you can see almost I am in 1 lakh profit as of now. Time has crossed 130. Still Bank Nifty is sideways. I mean time is reaching 1 o'clock and almost Bank Nifty is moving sideways, completely sideways. But after this is what the party got spoiled. Yeah. So let me just show you. Yes. This big spike spoiled my entire party. My calls, stop losses got hit, and then I got panicked. I immediately closed all my positions. There was huge slippages. By the time I closed all my quantities and come down, the huge spike really spoiled my show. So let me just show you. From a position of almost 1 lakh, it had almost gone to 1.5 lakh profit. From that level, I came down to almost, you can see I closed all my positions in the panic, and I came down to 44,700 minus 44,700. So really it was a very panicking day. This spike really spoilt me. I closed all the stop loss of call got hit, right? I could have continued the trend, but then again Bank Nifty started reversing from there. You can see this particular candle again, it started reversing. You can see this candle again, it started retracing back, so which was not good. Again my put started bleeding because I was naked. When the spike happened, all my call stop losses got hit, and then I thought in case if it breaks out from here, I thought I will again buy call options, that is buy directional trading. But then unfortunately Bank Nifty reversed, and again this big candle, my put started bleeding, my losses were increasing. So then I did not want to take much risk. I closed down all my positions, both the calls and the puts which I had. So this was all about today's trading, how my party got spoiled. So I should say continuous expiries which we were in profit. Now the first expiry I am closing in a loss after a long time. It's okay because considering the kind of month we had, it's not advisable to again fight with the market. Again, there are lots and lots of days. Again, we don't have to worry at all. We can make money in the next week also. So that is one lesson which I've learned: patience. Don't go to fight much with the market. If the market is not willing to give you money, if market is willing to give you money, you can keep trailing and make how much ever you want. But if market is not ready to give you, don't go to fight much. So today my maximum loss which I had kept of 1 lakh, although it was not reached, because of the spike, sudden spikes, and the kind of price action which is there, spike which is there, I decided not to trade much for the day and I closed my positions. Okay friends, so hope you like today's analysis, hope you like today's video. If in case any doubts, any clarifications, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.